got another package. That was probably the worst drum roll the world has ever heard. These guys are a lot smaller than I imagined, just like Ori. Here they are, Madeline and Badeline. Oh, they're in one package. Even the text on there says so. You can see it. There's other things in here. See what Fangamer has blessed us with today. Oh, it's Susie from Deltarune. I loved Susie from Deltarune. I guess because she was more of the genocidal type of character. Let's see what artist did it. George Velez. I'm sorry if I butchered your name. It says 3 heroes appear at World's Edge. A human, a monster, and a prince from the dark. From the artist series, collection 21, summer 2020. And here's the guy's social media. Sorry, my hands are shaking because, well, I'm awkward and my hands tend to shake. I'm a nervous wreck. We also have a sticker from Undertale. And I dropped this, and Madeline and Badeline are being advertised on here. And, wait, oh, the sticker one here. It's Undyne. Awesome. And it's done by Laura Verdon. I think we've heard about that artist before. I think she did one for Alphys, and I think Mettaton, I want to say. Now let's get to the meat potatoes. Here they are. Wow. Okay. Do they have wires in them? No, they do not. But here's Badeline's sticker. It's a cherry with wings. I mean, strawberry with wings, not cherry. Oh my gosh. It's like I haven't even played the game, but I definitely have. And here's Madeline with the regular strawberry with... Wait, stop turning! But you can have them sit like so because their legs are floppy. She has a backpack. And the jacket is actually made of nylon, I want to say. Or some kind of silk material. I'm sorry, I just got up and I saw this package. I thought, why not do an unboxing? The embroidery on the eyes are really nice. On the face. And Badeline is essentially the same, just free collar and no backpack. And if you have not played Celeste, I highly recommend you do so. It has other companies on here as well. Joking Hazard, 20 Trump. Like I said, just got up. Don't blame me. 2020 extremely okay games. Oh yeah, these are definitely okay games. I mean, they're more than okay, they're awesome. Can you unzip this? Yes, you can. Well, barely. Not quite all the way. But you can see underneath, it just has a purple shirt. Zip you back up. Come on, Badeline. Don't be a wuss. Did I break my plush? I'm gonna kill myself if I did. Okay, never mind. There we go. Just one of the ends was loose, so I had to fix that. Don't worry, it's not broken. You can do the same, I'll do it barely. I said barely. It's a greenish color. There's a little thread. can see. I feel like I'm stripping these guys. It's not. The door just opened by itself. This place is haunted. No, it's just the wind. But, yeah, but I got these two on Fangamer. They're obviously the same height. They're not the same size as Ori, but just a tad taller. And also, if you've watched my previous video on Shantae merchandise, I'm still waiting for Shantae, or any word regarding her. Like, is the production still going on? Is it cancelled? But if you have to hear anything about that, and if there's any news regarding it, I'll be sure to keep you guys posted. So anyway, thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, share with your friends, and subscribe for more unboxings, so that way you'll never miss one again. If you've not been subscribed to my channel, have just been watching. Because some of you guys that watch my videos aren't subscribed, so please consider subscribing and hit the bell for notifications. You get the idea. So anyway, stay tuned for necessary nonsense. Yours truly, Gaming Chili Hedgehog. God bless. I'll see you in the next video. Out with me.